Polaris has once again raised the bar in off-road racing with the release of the RZR Pro R Factory, a high-performance side-by-side that is now available for sale at a whopping price of $139,999. Initially reserved exclusively for the Polaris RZR Factory racing team, the RZR Pro R Factory made waves when it first appeared in the 2023 Dakar Rally, proving its mettle by dominating the SSV class and showcasing its incredible capabilities in the most grueling off-road conditions imaginable. This isn't just another off-road UTV. The RZR Pro R Factory is a true racing machine designed to tackle the most demanding terrains, including deserts, dunes, and mountains. Building on the already popular RZR Pro R, Polaris has taken this version to the next level, ensuring it's ready for the toughest competitions. It's a beast, designed with an ultra-strong one-piece steel chassis and wrapped in lightweight carbon fiber body panels. These features give the RZR Pro R Factory an aggressive yet lightweight build, enabling it to maintain agility and durability during high-speed runs across sand and rocky environments. At the heart of this performance machine is the ProStar Fury HO 2.0 engine, which cranks out an impressive 255 horsepower. To handle the extreme heat of desert racing, Polaris has equipped the RZR Pro R Factory with a rear-mounted radiator, dual 500W fans, and an integrated transmission oil cooler to ensure it stays cool even under intense conditions. These features make the RZR Pro R Factory not only powerful but also highly resilient, able to withstand the punishing environments of racetracks like Dakar and beyond. The suspension system is another standout feature. The RZR Pro R Factory is fitted with the race-spec MaxLink suspension system, featuring Fox shocks and Dynamics DV semi-active components. This setup is designed to absorb the harshest impacts from rugged terrain while providing superior handling. To give it the edge in desert races, the Baja mode setup is included, optimizing the vehicle's performance for sand dunes and challenging off-road trails. Stopping power is equally impressive, with Alcon brakes ensuring the RZR Pro R Factory can slow down or stop with precision, even in the most extreme conditions. The UTV also boasts a 130-liter fuel tank, so racers don't need to worry about refueling in the middle of nowhere, essential for endurance events like Dakar. Inside the vehicle, comfort and safety are prioritized. The RZR Pro R Factory comes equipped with Kevlar Sparco seats, providing the driver and co-pilot with comfort and support during long, challenging races. The overall design makes it clear that Polaris isn't just building a performance vehicle, they're also focused on ensuring top-tier safety and comfort for those who push the limits of off-road racing. Now, here's the big question: who can actually buy one of these? While the RZR Pro R Factory was originally reserved for professional racing teams, Polaris has opened the doors for civilians to get their hands on one. However, the price tag is a serious consideration. At $139,999, the RZR Pro R Factory isn't exactly affordable for everyone. But for race teams, enthusiasts, and serious off-road adventurers, this is an opportunity to own a piece of racing history. It's worth noting that Polaris will only produce 30 units of the 2025 RZR Pro R Factory, making this a rare and exclusive offering. For those with a more modest budget, the civilian RZR Pro R Race Replica Limited Edition is still available for $49,999. However, the Pro R Factory offers a significantly higher level of performance, making it ideal for those who want a genuine race-spec machine. Polaris is teaming up with Scanlon Clark Industries to help with technical support and parts supply, ensuring that those who purchase the RZR Pro R Factory will have access to the necessary resources to maintain and operate their machines. Polaris also plans to continue producing this model annually, but given its exclusivity and price, owning one will still be a privilege few can enjoy.